Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The Boatswain, affectionately known as the Bosun, is one of the most respected and indispensable figures in the deck department of any ship. While not an officer, the Boatswain is the highest-ranking rating on board, acting as the direct link between the chief officer and the rest of the deck crew. They are the foreman, the mentor, and the hands-on expert who ensures that the captain's orders are executed with precision and efficiency. The Boatswain's primary responsibility is the day-to-day management and supervision of the able seamen and ordinary seamen. They are the ones who assign tasks, organize the work schedule, and ensure that every deck activity from chipping rust to securing cargo is performed safely and correctly. Their leadership is crucial because they translate the technical instructions from the officers into practical tasks for the crew, often demonstrating the proper technique themselves. Deck maintenance is a huge part of their job. The Boatswain is an expert in preserving the ship's structure against the relentless corrosive power of the ocean. This involves overseeing painting operations, ensuring that rust is properly treated, and maintaining the thousands of meters of rope and wire that are vital for mooring and cargo handling. They are also skilled in rigging, working with various knots, splices, and shackles to ensure that lifting gear is safe and functional. During mooring and anchoring operations, the Boatswain is the vital person on the forecastle or aft deck. They supervise the handling of the heavy mooring lines and the anchor chain, issuing commands to the deck crew and communicating directly with the bridge through handheld radios. Their experience is paramount in ensuring these high-risk operations are performed without incident or injury. A good Boatswain has an encyclopedic knowledge of the ship, a practical understanding of how everything works, and an uncanny ability to fix almost anything with ingenuity and grit. They are the ship's go-to person for practical problems, whether it is a jammed watertight door or a broken piece of deck machinery. Safety is also a major focus for the Boatswain, as they ensure all deck work adheres to strict safety protocols. They lead by example, wearing personal protective equipment and enforcing the use of harnesses and proper lifting techniques. They are often the first responder on deck during minor incidents, providing immediate assistance and reporting to the officers. The Boatswain also plays a critical role in training junior crew members and deck cadets. They pass down generations of practical seafaring knowledge, teaching proper seamanship, knot tying, and safe working practices that cannot be learned from a textbook. To become a Boatswain, a seafarer must possess years of experience, a natural ability to lead, and an unwavering dedication to the ship and its crew. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.